My name is John Attu and I'm a biochemist. Malnutrition is prevalent in developing countries such as Ghana. The lack of critical nutrients such as proteins, vitamins, and minerals hinder children's growth right from the womb. Malnutrition increases Ghana's healthcare costs and heavily burdens the educational system. Nature Foods is solving this problem with its uniquely developed Nature's yogurt and fresh foods. This is uniquely combined and is dense proteins, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, and probiotics to solve the malnutrition problem in Ghana, especially among children.